Hi guys, welcome to Battle of the Stitches, the first week of November in 2025. And I'm just gonna come on real quick. I already have the tutorial up for the stitch and I will leave a link to it at the end of this video. But I wanted to welcome our two competitors. Remember, Teresa from Critters Crochet and I do this together, and then we invite two other people to compete with us every month. And this month it's Armchair Chef and One Hook, Two Hands, those two channels, and I'll link them in my description so you can go and check them out and see their tutorial today and then kind of see what they're making next week. We work from the book 200 Crochet Stitches by Tracey Todhunter. We pick a stitch and then we show you how to make the stitch, and then we all design our own pattern based on that stitch, and you guys can vote for the one that you like the best. And we have a Facebook page, which is listed in the description, where you can go check out what everybody's doing. But also, if you wanted to make something with that stitch, but you didn't want to make a video for YouTube about it, you can post your makes there. And we do giveaways. We just recently had a giveaway last week. So there are giveaways for people who participate in the Facebook group. And this month we had our choice of two stitches. They're both the brick stitch, so you could either do it with one color or two colors. So check out how to do the stitch, see what you can make with it, and then post your picture in the Facebook group. All right, this is short and sweet. I hope everybody has a great day and you check everything out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.